Hello? Hello? Taz, Derek. Lost you. We got another one right here. Okay. I'm here. Hello? Dang it. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Okay, thanks.
Hey, this is Craig. Who's this? Hey, David, you're on board with our guys? No, I'm not doing it for
Yes, I'm here. Tom and I both are sitting on 412, or on the overpass on 412 at the Kansas exit. We've got an actual tornado just to the west of our location. It's come down quite a few. I've got the video. My stream is up, I believe. And we actually we were on Highway 10 shortly ago and had more video of a tornado that was on just to the east of Highway 10. Okay. I've got a real good funnel. I'm sitting, yeah, on 412, on the bridge going over 412. I'm going to change my position, buddy, so I'm going to go. Thank you, sir. Hey, this is Derek. Have you guys talked to Tom? We've got multiple wall clouds. We've got a definite tornado that was on the ground just to our location to the west in Kansas, Oklahoma. Okay. All right. Thanks. Dan, I was on Highway 10. I am now on 412 at the Kansas exit, and I've got another wall cloud with a funnel. I actually had a tornado that I did get video. Of course, had no cell service to upload it at the time, but I am now shooting right now video of another tornado that's over here in Kansas, Oklahoma on 412. We have had a brief touchdown, and like I said, there's another one that's coming towards Siloam that was just to the east of my location on Highway 10, and that was a definite tornado on the ground as well. And this one I'm watching right now is which I'll get the video to you shortly, but no cell service. Right now we're just have a lowering on this cell here that I'm on. I don't see anything confirming touching down at right this second on this cell that I'm actually shooting now. I don't right now. We're without cell here. So I've got another tornado right to my south. I'm sorry to my west. On 412, just to the east of the Kansas. Yes, I'm sorry, west of Kansas. West of Kansas. Yep, right there. Tornado on the ground. It was a brief touchdown, and now it's lifting back up. All right, buddy. All right. Alright, well, I don't know what to do about the video.